Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read the book, What is This Fruit? By Teacher Nay. Let's begin. You can repeat after me. It is a banana. It is an apple. It is an orange. It is a mango. It is a pineapple. It is a grape. It is a peach. It is a pear. It is a strawberry. Okay, now we're going to read the fruit flashcards. I will say each word 3 times. Please repeat after me. A banana. A banana. A banana. An apple. An apple. An apple. An orange. An orange. An orange. A mango. A mango. A mango. A pineapple. A pineapple. A pineapple. A grape. A grape. A grape. A peach. A peach. A peach. A pear. A pear. A pear. A strawberry. A strawberry. A strawberry. Okay, we've come to the end. It's time to go. Goodbye. See you next time.